Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Apple ID region and signing in on your device. This matters because balance usage depends on country settings. Once signed in, redeem a gift card or add funds using the App Store code. Enter the code in Redeem section. Make sure two-factor authentication is active and your account has no pending billing issues. This prevents Apple from requiring a credit card. You're now set to spend only your Apple ID balance. You redeem the code in the App Store and confirm the dollar amount is added to your Apple ID balance. Take a moment to verify the updated balance. Once done, go to Payment and Shipping and ensure the Apple ID balance is prioritized. Remove unnecessary credit cards if Apple still prompts for one. If you use family sharing, set purchase sharing so the family organizer's balance can be used for shared purchases. This keeps purchases charging your balance instead of a card. You proceed to buy apps or subscriptions. Always confirm the checkout screen shows the deduction from your Apple ID balance before you tap Buy. Make sure you maintain a small buffer on the balance so recurring subscriptions won't fail, and monitor the balance in account settings. If a purchase is blocked or Apple asks for a credit card, sign out and sign back in, recheck your region and payment settings, and contact Apple support for billing holds. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.